Good afternoon again. A nice sunny but windy Saturday in the UK. 16 degrees at the moment. Perfect biking weather, well, apart from the wind. Just had a little ride through Walpington where all the ULEZ protesters are out in force. I just shouted at them, buy electric. They didn't seem to like that very much. Buy electric! For those of you outside London, you might not know what the ULEZ is. It's the ultra low emission zone. Currently it operates inside the North Circular and the South Circular parts of London, but this summer it's being extended to cover all of London, so the Greater London area, which is pretty much everything inside the M25, or will be from about August. So that's what all the objections about. Personally, I think that anything that increases the air quality in London is a good thing. But a lot of people have older cars, especially diesels, which won't comply, and they'll have to pay £12.50 per day to use their car within that sort of ULEZ zone. Not really going anywhere in particular today, just thought I'd get out and put a few miles on the bike. Test out the new headset. Set it to record in 4K. So see how that comes out. The other camera that's facing at me is only a 1080 camera, so see how they mix together in the edit. The two different, they're both 16:9, but obviously different resolution, so see how that comes out. I'm still undecided on the next camera to get. I think I've got it down to a choice of two. I've eliminated the GoPro. I think the cameras I've got do an equivalent job to the GoPro, really. So I think it's down to either the Insta360, and I was looking at the X2 version, and the other one is a Sony ZR1 or ZV1 maybe, which is a sort of a small format sort of vlogging camera. So not really sure which one I'd use more at the moment, so a bit more thought needed on that one. They've both got their advantages, and they have both got some different usages as well that they're better at than the other one. So don't know, got to think about it a bit more. On the way home, I do have to pop into the mother-in-law's care home. I've got a few bits and pieces to drop off to her, and the care home actually has, I think it's 6 AC 32, no, I think it's 32 amp, so probably 7 kilowatt chargers So I'm going to try. I'm not sure if they're public chargers. I can't find them on any of the sharing apps, PlugShare and anything else I've got. So I'm going to try plugging into one of them and see if I get a charge. And I could always ask one of the managers in the home about them. But I've never actually seen anything. I've only been there a few times. She only moved in yesterday. But I haven't actually seen anything plugged into any of them, so not really sure what they're there for, because the residents I wouldn't have thought have cars. They're probably all too old for it. The minibus they've got, I think, is a diesel, so that doesn't need to plug into anything. Right, we're on the fast roads again, so I'll say ta-ta for now and see you once I get to the care home.